Hey everyone, need to check your email that's set up with your NameCheap? It's pretty easy to get to your inbox. Well, let's walk through it together. First things first, head over to NameCheap.com. Now log into your account. For that, tap on sign in over here. Tap on sign in. Now you are on the dashboard of NameCheap app. Now tap on account, which is in right corner over here. Tap on it. Now scroll down and under account you can see an option for profile. Tap on it. And under personal info you can find your primary email, which is over here. So this is the email that you used for setting up the NameCheap.com. You can also edit it by using edit button, which is over here. Just like that, you can access to your NameCheap Gmail. That's all for today's video. If this video made it a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.